Feed me.
Hi, I'm Megan.
And I'm Jamie.
Welcome to the Hawaiian Kitchen. Hold on, we make some crab cakes for y'all.
That's right. We actually stole the formula.
Yes. This is our butter, our shallots,
This is what it looks like. A little cross between garlic and onions.
and our flour, black pepper, salt, our parsley,
This is what it looks like.
thank you, our cayenne pepper, our Parmesan cheese, our lemon zest,
Made like this.
and our white crab meat. Milk,
Milk.
our 3 eggs, and breadcrumbs. Okay, now we will begin. We take the butter, put it into the pan as quickly as possible.
What heat is that, perhaps?
This stove is set at medium heat. We need to melt the butter. Make sure you spread it all around the pan. And then after the butter, we add the shallots very carefully so you don't get burned.
It looks great.
Thank you. Just so yummy. And then, as soon as the butter is done, we will be adding the flour in just a little bit. Okay. We are now adding the flour. But make sure you switch to a whisk so it does not clump up. You don't want that.
And slowly add it in and whisk it at the same time.
Okay.
Whisk, whisk, whisk. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Yes.
You do not want it to get clumpy. That's not good. Okay.
And also you don't want it to burn at the bottom.
Yes. Very well done. It's my good sous chef. Okay. After you are done whisking, you add the milk. You you do not pour it automatically. You pour it down slowly.
Like that.
Yes,
Nice
just
and
like that.
rotate.
And then after you pour in your milk, you stir it, not stir, but you whisk it so that it comes out nicely. And you wait until the milk comes to a boil, and then you turn the heat down. And then you periodically whisk it so it doesn't get all stuck to the pan for 3 minutes. To hurry up, this is like cooking. Okay, you will need to whisk it until it is thickened. And then you would want this to look like this. Very well done. And then you will add your crab meat. Your Parmesan cheese. Your parsley. Okay. Your lemon zest for flavor. your cayenne pepper.
How much do we add?
We are going to add just a pinch.
Just a pinch.
Yes, just a pinch, just for a little flavor.
Splendid.
Yes, very splendid. Take our pinch, go around the pot so it's even, and do not forget to turn off the heat so you don't burn it. And then after it is well mixed together, we are going to add just a little bit of salt and pepper. Also only adding just a pinch. Don't forget to spread it around evenly. The salt.
It's popular.
Yes, very popular. And once again, mix it all together. I'm gonna get all that flavor. And now we are gonna let it sit until it cools for 30 minutes. And we'll be right back with you.
Thank you for waiting after the nice quick break. And welcome back to the Hawaiian Kitchen.
Round 2 equals making the balls. We took our mixture that we made earlier, dipped it in egg and breadcrumbs, so it make these lusciously yummy balls.
And comes in all variety of shapes and sizes.
We are going to be deep frying them, but they're still very healthy. Welcome to round 3. We will be taking our balls and putting them into oil. As you can see, taking our balls. Do not ever use your hands, you'll get hurt. Put them into your oil. And then you continue with others.
One at a time.
One at a time.
Gently.
And calmly.
They smell delicious.
Very delicious. And now we have 6, and we're gonna let them sit for 1 minute. Then we're gonna flip them over, so that way they get cooked very evenly for another minute, and then they will be done and ready to eat. And now that our balls are done with our lovely,
Golden
nice
brown.
touch of brown, take them out quickly when they're done so they don't burn and they don't taste yucky.
And the results are better fried.
Yes. And we shall continue. It's stuck. And do keep track of time. Now we're going to let it sit for a minute. Waiting for these lovely things to cook. Hope your day is going splendid.
Splendid, I say.
Splendid.
Woo!
Hear that popping.
Get it poppin'. It's happening in there. See this before and after. It looks so good.
Has it been a minute yet?
Almost. 20 more seconds.
Then once the minute is up, you turn it so they don't cook unevenly. Ooh, the burn.
And you don't want to get the heat real hot or else it starts splashing.